Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're visiting my channel, click on the like, comment on the video, subscribe, and click on the bell notification button to get notified anytime I post a new video. Today, I'm going to take you on a different kind of journey. Have you heard about the Mursi Tribe? They live in the Omo Valley, an isolated region in Ethiopia. They are the last tribe that still wear traditional clothing and accessories. Mursi Tribe are Samic ethnic group in Ethiopia. They reside in Dibub, Omo zone of the southern nation, close to the border with South Sudan, surrounded by mountains between the Omo River. The home of Mursi is one of the most isolated regions of the country. They are grouped together with the Min and Suri by the Ethiopian government under the Soma. The Mursi speaks the Mursi language as a mother tongue. The Mursi language is one of the Samic language with incompatible vowel structures and stressed and unstressed consonants compared to Arabic. Like many agro-pastoralists in East Africa, the Mursi believe that experience a force greater than themselves, which they call the Tui. Tui manifests itself as a thing of the sky such as rainbow or a bird. The principal religion in the society is that of the Komuru, the priest or shaman. The Mursi undergo various rites of passage, educational or disciplinary process. Lip plates are also well-known aspects of the Mursi, who are probably the largest group in Africa, among whom is still the norm for women to wear large pottery, wooden discs or plates. All lips are pierced at the age of 15 or 16. Occasionally, lip plates are worn to a dance by unmarried women and increasingly worn to attract tourists in order to earn some money or gifts. Lip plates are known as debi tugoin. To see more of these videos on my channel, click on the like, comment and subscribe. You can also click on the bell notification button to get notified anytime I post a new video. Thanks for watching.